Beauty is subjective, and opinions on the most beautiful languages may vary. However, here is a list of 10 languages known for their aesthetic qualities, along with one beautiful word from each language. Italian. Beautiful word, ciao, hello/goodbye. French. Beautiful word, amour, love. Spanish. Beautiful word, sueños, dreams. Japanese. Beautiful word, sakura, cherry blossom. Portuguese. Beautiful word, saudade, a deep emotional state of longing or nostalgia. Arabic. Beautiful word, habibi, my beloved. Russian. Beautiful word, dusha, soul. Greek. Beautiful word, elysium, a place or state of perfect happiness. Swahili. Beautiful word, uzuri, beauty. Hindi. Beautiful word, mythos, sweetness. Please note that this list is not definitive, and there are many other languages with their own unique beauty.